Life is interesting, isn't it? And sometimes we feel like God is far away from us. Isn't that true? Sometimes we feel like we're walking alone. Sometimes we feel like I have my goals and God has His, and He doesn't care about what I have in my plans. Sometimes it feels like I'm lost. But God has His Word. And His Word never fails. And His Word says that I am found.